Hello viewers, welcome once again in our Power BI session. As the title you can see, I'm going to discuss the usage of append query and how it can be done in Power BI. Append query is a special kind of function where we can combine two data sets into a different one, provided their data structures are exactly same. And this particular activity can be easily done with the help of Power Query Editor, which is the most useful component inside Power BI. So to understand the concept of append query, let me show you the nature of the data sets. So I'm taking you can see here, we have taken two data sets. For example, there is one particular, you can see there is one particular data set called new bank. Now, if I select this new bank, you will find four informations are coming. Some account numbers, account holder's name, their opening date, and what type of accounts. And exactly, you can see the column name. The same column names are there inside my old bank. This is a separate data set, and separate records are there. But if you follow the column names, account number, account name, opening balance, or sorry, opening date and type of account, exactly all these four informations are there. Now, suppose all these records belong to the same organization and somehow you want to combine them and make it as a separate, a single data set where each records from new bank as well as each records from old bank will also be available. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm choosing home and I'm choosing the transform data option because to invoke Power Query Editor, it is very much required. Now, when you will find that Power Query Editor has opened, very closely you have to follow that there is a icon called combine. Now here it is again showing different sub option, merge queries, append queries. Now don't click on this append queries. The reason I'm telling you, rather you open this combo box and you can find append queries as new. What will happen if you choose append queries? The original data set will be disturbed. So it is always wise to create append queries as new. So if I click on this option, append queries as new, and wizard will come. Here you can see two tables. If you want to combine two or more tables, then certainly you have to choose this option. But at present, we are having two similar data sets, and that's why logically I'm choosing two tables. Now, what is the name of the sheets? Definitely my first sheet, suppose I'm choosing new bank. So I can select from new bank. And what is the second table? So I'm choosing old bank. Because we have taken two tables, so of course these two columns have been, two criterias have been fulfilled. And if you select OK button, or if you click on OK button, so the output will appear something like this. A new table will be created whose name is Append1. And if you scroll down, you will find all the records are coming, both from new bank as well as old bank. Definitely, you can right click here and you can rename. Instead of Append1, you can give your own name. Suppose all customers. or all account holders. And definitely a new data set has been created, which is a derivative of both new bank as well as old bank. So you can see that this append activity is how easy if you apply this particular activity. Now look at this formula bar, what it has done. Remember, Power Query, against every action, Power Query basically tries to apply inbuilt functionalities. So here you can say table dot combine new bank comma old bank. So once you do some activities, Power Query Editor accordingly tries to generate some functionalities which you can very well see inside the formula bar. And these types of things also being asked if you want to apply for, or if you want to attempt for, clearing Power BI vendor certification program. The exam code is PL300. So these types of things you can learn very easily by looking at our videos, which we are regularly updating in our YouTube channel. And if you like this particular session, if you have understood, if you have liked, then definitely you can click on the like button, as well as you can subscribe our channel so that necessary notification may reach to you from time to time. Thank you. I hope you have already understood how easily this activity could be done.